friend of mine was doing renovation in my basement, and Andy Galensky, and he had total house windows done. He won a contest, and he just told me how wonderful you guys were. And other people had told me how good you, when you're installing them, that you don't even know you guys were there. It's so clean after, and which was true. I mean, you would have never known. There was 2 guys in and out of my house all day putting windows in because there was nothing to clean up after. It was awesome. So during when it was really hot, 35 degrees Celsius outside, my air conditioning hardly went at all because it didn't get hot enough in the house. The temperature didn't get above 25 rarely, and it just makes the house look so much nicer too. Just looks more classy. Yeah, it makes me feel good. Bryan Richardson, he was totally awesome. I mean, so often you worry about someone coming in to try and sell you something or tell you something, and you're afraid they're going to push. He totally did not push and answered any questions I had. Very professional and very friendly personality. It shows that they're not just all about the sales, they're worried about what's best for you. And that's cool. I really like that. I'd just like to thank Bryan Richardson for his professionalism and personal touch, and for the company for, it appears that their employees all treat it very awesome, and that's awesome. I like to hear that.